What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video about underhoods, and more importantly, welcome back to part 4 of the BMW M2 Rebuild. So if you checked out my previous videos, you would have saw I ran into a bit of trouble with the headlight. One of the brackets on the headlight was broke and I wasn't happy fitting it in that state, and I managed to do some DIY, and basically I bought some fiberglass, as you can see there, and kind of made my own bracket somewhat. So today I'm going to be attempting to install this headlight and hopefully getting the front bumper on, as the headlight washers have come now. I've installed those onto the bumper, and I've also fiberglass the crack on the bumper. So it's basically prepped for the body shop now. I just need to get on there and get the bumper filled and get it sprayed and so on. I finished the rear install. I'll show you that in a minute. But first, let's try and get this headlight on, and then we'll have a look around the car and go over the progress we've made so far. Right, so I've just removed the wheel in order to take the guard back off and give myself more room. I'm hoping that this works. Okay, first attempt. Such an awkward place. I don't know why they put this bracket right at the front of the headlight. It's doable, obviously, but it's just a pain. Okay, so first attempt unsuccessful. Screw is not going through completely, and I think I can see why. First of all, some of you really might be saying, why not just buy a new headlight? The reason why I bought a new headlight is because I can't afford a new headlight. Keeping it real with you, man. These headlights are expensive, stupidly expensive. Okay, second attempt. Now I've lined it up, it should be a bit easier. I think we're in. See if we can't tighten it up. I've got to take off one more bolt for this mud guard. Oh, I might just take it off completely, see how that goes. And we're good. It's perfect. Nice homemade bracket there, very solid. Fiberglass is a very good material to use for this application. I recommend it. Right, where is the other one? Okay, so far so good. I think I'm going to put the front bumper on just to make sure they're lining up as they should, and then we'll just tighten them up, and hopefully, I'm still waiting on the upper headlight mounts that go here, so hopefully when I've done that, they go on and everything's perfect. But for now, I guess I'm just going to try and use the bumper as a guide. Oh, and I've got the headlight washers. Set of aftermarket ones. Hopefully, I don't regret that. About £30 for a pair. You can't really go wrong, considering these are I think around £90 each from BM, something like that. So yeah, we've got the washer hose loosely on the bumper. As you can see down here, you can't see too much because I've put the cover back over, but you can see a bit of the fiberglass where I've fibered the bumper, which you can see down there. So yeah, it's just brought it back closer. Okay, so we start to get a better picture. Just loosely sitted at the moment. But I must say, looking good, right? Looking like a car, man. Came with hardly any external parts on it, so to see it in this state is wicked, man. Still got spray the grills, but that's not a biggie. I'm still in two minds about whether I should spray these engine braces that are there, that go here. We'll see how it goes anyway. Yeah, let's crack on. Bumper bracket mount bracket. Got a washer jet hitting a horn. I think it might just be a case though of lifting it over. That's feeling good today. See that get up. Let's get a screw or two just to hold this down for a minute. I believe these are the bumper screws. I know that from the 4 series. That's that sort that ain't moving, hopefully. Just trying to figure out what's going on with this. Now I've got to figure out what screws go into the bumper. Happy days. Oh, I forgot about this temperature sensor. So there is a hole. Yep, fits perfectly in there. In the passenger side grille at the top of it, behind here, and it appears to just slot into there. That's good. 3 screws in there. Okay, that's good enough for now. So I've been looking at 2 series models the last few days, just because I was thinking that this was too big a gap, but this is actually how it's supposed to be, which is cool. To be honest, I don't think I'll even have to wait for the headlight mounts to come. It's extra security, but this is good enough. This can go, man. I can go ahead and tighten up that headlight though. Basically, I'm concerned about that gap there. Driver side bumper mount bracket, part number there if you need it. So as you can see, it's a bit too tight now, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to achieve. Just gonna bring it out a little bit and match it to that one, I guess, a bit more. That one looks a bit bigger than it should be, but saying that, it's probably about right. It's a different car, so all good. Let's bring it out a bit. So a bit more what it should look like, basically. Yeah. So for some odd reason I did struggle a bit more with the driver's side. There's a bracket on the wing that is slightly bent, so I think that might have contributed. As you can see, there's a little bit of wing damage there as well, so I don't know, I guess those things combined probably just made my life a little bit more difficult, but we got there in the end. So just a recap, we have installed the headlights and the bumper today, along with the headlight washers, headlight washer hose. I already pre-installed the headlight washer hose and the headlight washers, also a passenger side headlight washer cover. I did fiberglass the inside of this bumper. As you can see, it's come away a bit from my manhandling trying to get this bumper on, but I don't think I'm going to stress it right now. I guess it will be a job for the body shop. So done alright, man, done alright. I had installed the rear bumper and the tail lights. Looking good. I recently took off the exhaust trims. They're in silver. I'm thinking I'm probably going to make them gloss black. Still need to get a diffuser, which is fairly reasonable, to be fair. BMW are quoting £110 all in, but it's just like it's the original one, which kind of comes like this. Obviously cleaner, but it's basically like a matte black, I think. It's a dull, very dull finish, and I want a gloss black one, so I'm thinking I'll probably just try and find one online and yeah, just customize it myself, you know me. So I think that's it basically. I still need to put the engine strut bars back on, and I still need to sort out the grille and adjust the driver's side headlight, but basically that's my job done. Just got to take it down to the body shop and get them to do some work. But yeah, looking good, man, looking good. I'm quite happy with these gaps, because sometimes when you've got crashed cars, it doesn't line up as well as it did before, and that is looking quite satisfactory, I must say. Same with this side, minus the damage to the wing, which is making this come out a bit down here and go in a bit there. That's dented, but no biggie. The main thing is it looks half decent, and we can take it on the road and get a proper drive, make sure it's driving okay, and then book it in for a MOT, as the MOT expired. Alright, so I'm just going to test the headlight washers. Hopefully they work, hopefully. So I mean, you guys probably saw nothing happened. I've just come out and checked, and I can't see any water anywhere on the headlights, so obviously they didn't work. I know they work in a cycle. It's like after every 10 windscreen wipes or something, or windscreen washer pulls or whatever. But yeah, still I don't see anything. So I do have Carly to hand, so I'm going to see if I can shorten that cycle with Carly, and then I'll try it again, I guess. Right guys, so I never managed to get the headlight washers going. I'm not sure if there's a fault with them, but there's no water coming out of those, unfortunately. And I tried coding it, but still didn't work. So that's something we'll have to look into in the near future. But either way, we've set out for what we wanted to do today. We've got the headlights on, we've got the front bumper on. Everything is looking neat. Happy, very happy with it, very happy. So that's it guys, everything's complete on the car. I hope you've enjoyed these videos, and hopefully I'll get some more up soon. Stay tuned for more content on this BMW M2, will be coming soon. I'm going to give it a wash and try and figure out how much work it actually needs bodywork wise, and go from there, I guess. As always, please if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications for any future uploads, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.